Social media are interactive digitally mediated technologies that facilitate the creation or sharing/exchange of information, ideas, career interests, and other. Examples of collaborative content creation. Social media outlets differ from traditional media, for example, print magazines and newspapers, and TV and radio broadcasting, in many ways, including quality, reach, frequency, usability, immediacy, and permanence. Additionally, social media outlets operate in a dialogic transmission system, i.e., many sources to many receivers, while traditional media outlets operate under a monologic transmission model, one source to many receivers. For example, a newspaper is delivered to many subscribers and a radio station broadcasts the same programs to an entire city. Observers have noted a wide range of positive and negative impacts of social media use. Social media can help to improve an individual's sense of connectedness with real or online communities and can be an effective communication or marketing tool for corporations, entrepreneurs, non-profit organizations, advocacy groups, political parties, and governments.